From a young age, we're taught you're either male or female, but that's not always the case. You see, snails, they're hermaphrodites, at least a lot of the land snails, which means they have both sexes in one body. Many land snails can reproduce asexually, meaning without a partner. However, if they do find a partner, they can reproduce with them. Mushrooms, spinach plants, so many other things in nature have many more sexes than just two. And so it's something to think about both with humanity and with this idea that I know that the universe has set us up for maximum success. Darwin talked about survival of the fittest. I think another way of putting that is the universe is conspiring in your favor, giving you as many capabilities and all the unique options and features you need to survive. So if there's something unique about you, you can guarantee it's part of a design. It's not a design flaw. It's a characteristic that's uniquely a part of your human existence. You have everything you need to succeed within you. Start to believe everything is rooting for you.